Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're back at Torksey Car Boot this morning, Wednesday morning. Here we're reselling Ashley. Lovely day, a bit overcast. I don't think it'll rain, but it's nice and sunny. T-shirt weather, t-shirt and shorts. Let's see what we can get today. Hopefully we'll do well, get some bargains and bring you along the way to see what we get. See you shortly. Right, here we go. Let's see what we can get.
Just have a look. Are you sure you want them? You deal with that.
You heard of them before? Grace?
Yeah. Yeah, Grace are alright.
Any good?
Yeah, Grace are alright. How much are they?
£5 a pair.
Gilbert's.
40 quid on the horse. We're just a bit late to party.
I think we are. Paul.
I'll go for them, though.
Gosh, there's a load down here, you know. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Just put these in the box.
That's 60 I owe you, mate. Thank you very much, thank you. Just bought a golf bag for £8 with clubs in it. Let's see what Jay's got on today.
I'm working. Yeah.
I know what I'd done that other day when you thought I hadn't paid you. I'd turned my camera off and then come round and paid you.
Right.
Do you want to save battery?
Yeah, that's alright.
That's what I'd done. Is that for me, Craig, at top? Yeah. Spot on a mile away. What is it? How much?
20 quid.
20, yeah.
How much we move? 20 quid. Put it all down here, Alfie.
There you go, bud. That is on camera.
Yeah.
Trolley park here, look.
What's that, sir?
Morning.
Good morning, love.
Oh mate, that's right. How much you got on your gloves?
A couple of quid.
Have you got others with them?
Not sure. Not sure.
What's up?
Motorbike glove in someone anyway.
What you got, jacket?
There was 2 of each one.
Do you a fiver?
Would you do as a fiver with that?
Yeah, go
Yeah, sound. I've spent a bit with you this morning, haven't I? I'm not bothered about textile, I struggle with textiles.
About a nice 80s one-piece race suit.
Okay. What brand's that?
Sport.
Never heard of it. You used to do a bit of reselling yourself?
Yeah, I used to resell a bit of everything and then just
The camera's not in there, do you know?
And, yeah.
Camera's not in there, do you know? No.
I ain't got a clue.
Somebody's probably relieved you of it without paying you.
I'm not too fussed, I just want to get rid of. It's just, this is stuff that's just been in back corner at my unit for about a year.
Yeah.
And I've finally run out of space, so I've got to get some space.
That camera's broke, but I might be interested in taking the battery off you. You chuck us that in for a quid with other
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
It's only battery I want basically. Camera's broke, looking at lens. About £6 off me, mate.
All this stuff's gone already.
£5. Yeah, you've done pretty good, haven't you?
Don't want any fire escape signs, do you?
I am a sparky like, but
I think we've got about 30 of them, brand
have
new.
you? Okay.
Yeah.
How much are you wanting on them?
Very different ones. I'll do them like, I don't want to take them back, so I'll do them at like a quid each if you want. I think they sell for about 30ish, something like that. But
The tubes, aren't they? They're not LEDs.
I have no idea.
Yeah, the tube ones look 1x 8-watt fluorescent
right.
tube.
These must have those LEDs.
I don't know if they're LEDs.
Oh, yeah,
Apparently.
look at those.
This is on top. What are they
Are these £1 each as well?
Yeah, well,
How many of these LED ones have you got?
I had another box. That box. Is that, what are they, EDM3?
Yeah,
Yeah,
EM3s.
Yeah. So I've got 9 of them altogether then.
8, isn't there? Is there like 6 and 2? Oh yeah, 9.
3, yeah. They're all this one. Yeah.
So that's £9. What are these ones?
They're all the.
Oh, the heavy ones, yeah.
Yeah, I think.
£9. Let's see if I can buy what else.
Quid.
You ain't got them other gloves, have you?
No, I don't know. I did have a look.
What you got on this?
50p. Trying to make it up to a tenner.
Yeah, I'll just get a quid for it and make it up to a tenner, mate, yeah. I think I've took that camera, can I take that?
Yeah, yeah. You
What did I say to you about not coming?
No, I don't want throw in.
can. Do you sell one here?
I asked him and he says no.
Cheers.
Marek!
Do 10 on them.
I'll have to ring him and ask him.
I'm looking for someone else, yeah, sorry. How much?
I'll ask him.
I will go no longer than 12. I don't think I'm going to go no longer than 12.
We'll do 12, eh?
Yeah, 12.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll take that for 23, mate.
They're all different, but they're not old ones. There's a lot more of these coloured ones like the mask on the table where we've got the fluorescent. Yeah, so those good like character ones almost.
How much is vacuum, James?
£3.
Sound.
Or miniature cricket bat. All of it. Remember packing it yesterday? The cricket ball and the little bat that goes on it as well.
Another Sebo for £3. Wants some work, this one though. How much is that, Laura? 10. Alright then. Got so many of them that don't work. How much are they, buddy?
If they're in there, mate, 20p.
Oh, it's 20p? Oh.
Where's them?
We're just trading over there.
Yeah, I'll give 50p for them, mate. Oh, no change, they're worth that. So, how much is your chop saw?
35, boss.
35, okay, thank you. And what about your table saw?
Hey?
And what about the table saw? How much that?
That's 20.
Oh, and that's 25.
That's 35.
Oh, 35, right. Lovely, thank you.
Thank you.
How much is that, Mark? It's heavy, that rucksack.
Bloody hell, Keith. You got much, mate?
I've not done too bad.
Yeah.
Had a decent bit of a go this morning.
That's alright.
For you?
Yeah, I got a couple of little bits, yeah. Just a few little fillers, like. I didn't even know I was going to make it. I had an assignment due in at like 12.
Hey, you didn't pick up that turtle thing, did you?
No.
I said, I said 15 quid out of the box. It was Marvin's magic thing inside.
Alright, chaps.
Clever chaps, not to be sniffed at, mate.
How much are they, love? Excuse me, how much are these?
Yeah, 3.
Do you want them?
I'll take them. Cowboys.
Right, I'll leave you to it.
Thank you. See you later.
They're not a good clean, not a dusty.
They are dusty. Oh, I've got the balls for the ball table.
What did he say they were? A tenner?
Tenner, yeah. He wants 15, but I've said a tenner.
Tenner, I know it's it. We chuck that, I'd give 10 if you chuck me them in with him.
Yeah, you can then.
We have got a job to do.
I know, because I keep buying golf tucking bags, don't I?
And I keep buying keyboards.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. My word.
I told you we were going to have a good day.
How are we going to do this? I've got 2 golf carts. One, can I get one of these in front with me? The bigger one of the 2, that one.
I think what we need to do is put stuff out to the side here.
Do that then.
Rejig it all.
Do that then. Them 2 then, back in, 12 o'clock.
Thank you.
How much is that, look?
£1.
Yeah, I'll take that for £1. They're panniers of some sort.
Yeah, yes.
How much are they?
£2 for each. £3 for both.
£3 for them both?
Yeah.
I think I might do with that.
Inside,
Yeah.
you might feel it's a cover for them. Going through there.
All right, okay.
Set back there.
Yeah, all right, mate. I'll take them. Are they motorbike or push bike?
Push back.
Push bike. So these are 50p, yeah?
Yeah, I'll 50p here, mate.
Any item you like, guys, now 50p.
Right, I'll take those so-cornies then, mate.
Lovely.
I've even got the correct 50p for you. There you go.
Lovely, mate.
So, take that bag as well. Little pro bag. Thank you.
Any items?
Yeah, guys, any item you like now 50p. 50 pence a piece, guys, don't miss it, 50 pence. It's all come from house clearances.
You're all right, mate. Go, mate. Go, mate. Sorry about that, mate.
This one? That's not 50p, mate. 50p each. They're cheap enough. It's going to be £1, £2, £3, mate.
This one.
350. Pound down. Thank you. It's all 50p, guys. Don't miss it today. Any item you like, 50p.
Yeah, buddy. I'll take that.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you.
Keep coming. We'll be here every week now, mate.
Yeah, thank you.
50p, guys. Don't you like? Any item, 50p. All right, love you. 350, mate. It works out, yeah. 5 of these books, we've got 4. Big and the small one. Take all 15 quid.
So LED lights, 50 each. Why not? How much you got any trainers, Doug?
45.
You'll get that from, but I'd put them on eBay. Yeah.
Is it?
How much are they?
£3 then, mate.
3?
Yeah.
Got to have them for £3, haven't we? What about how much is black jacket, mate?
15.
Right, thank you.
See now? How cool's that?
Yeah, it's very nice, isn't it? Very nice.
How much is it that? 50. 50.
£3. Yep, I'll take them. Take them.
And then before we go, then we'll flash it down.
For two, do them for 2, I'll give you a straight £5.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, yeah, no worries.
Yeah, paid for obviously. Okay. Not going to go over my shoulder no more, that now.
It's going to be too heavy to go over your shoulder now.
It's not too heavy, it's just not long enough.
Okay.
What about them? They're nice one, riding boot.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Ta-da.
Thank you.
Bye. Lots of people around here doing ducking. All right, me duck. Chesterfield.
Yeah, it is down.
Been reduced, it don't look any smaller to me.
The box is gone now. Your favourite box.
Yeah. Here, edit your videos with Super Editor.
Oh no, they're over there, look.
20p each.
How much were they when they were new?
I bet you though.
You wanted to buy it back?
Every trolley.
I think it's all installed.
How is it?
Yes.
All those that were in took all the
Mizuno then? No.
That's what I put.
Yeah, for £3 Mizuno.
Mine are the Gore-Tex ones. Are they Gore-Tex? They say GTX on the side.
No, I know what got it. Yeah, no. Yeah, I did. Yeah, that's my bag, look.
Oh, sorry. Forgive me.
It's alright.
Yeah.
How much is on these boots?
£3. Toggy.
Is that a good thing, doggy?
What's it? They are like a riding, women's riding boots.
Superbs, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
3. How much are they?
Yeah, I do that for £3 because they are big.
On this side?
You find the proper boots, like a knee high.
Yeah,
They are worth some good money.
yeah. Oh, they look. I'll take the toggy ones.
Okay. So you're taking only the toggy ones?
Yeah, just the toggy ones, mate. £3, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah,
2 for 5, yeah?
yeah.
Yeah, go on then. That's it then.
She's riding home, it's long.
Yeah. Hang on. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
So we're back from boot sale and this is what we've got today. So 2 body protectors for horse riding, G-Tech vacuum cleaner, 2 Sebo vacuum cleaners. One of them was only £3 but does need some repairs. 2 boxed lights, LED lights, they were 50p each. Some riding boots including Toggy, some DeWalt work boots, some Canterbury and Gilbert rugby boots, Nike trainers, some more hiking boots, baby carrier, a moto caddy bag with lots of clubs in, all different things, King Cobra and Titleist and Ping, a Callaway lightweight bag, and then an MGI bag, some motorbike leathers, so jacket and gloves, motorbike coat and motorbike bottoms, some cycle panniers waterproof, some Jordan trainers, some Under Armour golfing shoes, some Adidas tobacco, and then some Sauconys, which are going to need a bit of a clean, a bit of a wash, but they were 50p. Can't grumble at that. A Honeywell tank start, little kiddies buoyancy aid for swimming, Sony DAB radio, a few assortment of cameras. Here we go, all different ones, including a Sony camcorder, all different cameras there. And then one last thing that I got was this box full of digital cameras, which is going to make some money. Forgot to mention that there was also 8 emergency lights, which are brand new in box. 9 in fact, there's 6 in the box and 3 on top, all at £1 each. So I hope you found that interesting. Obviously we got a good pickup with all those cameras at £2 each. Let's hope they all work. And I've got a load of other stuff, golfing stuff, motorbike gear, horse riding stuff, all things that I think we can make a few pounds on. If you found it interesting, I hope you'd consider subscribing. There's a lot of viewers watching my content but not subscribed. It's free to subscribe, so please hit that button and it will help my channel grow for future. If you like this sort of content, keep coming back and you'll see me. I'm going to do a few car boots over the weekend, bank holiday weekend, so we'll be putting some more up then. Until next time, see you then, bye.